In this discussion, you can see how to generate a new master password in case you forgot the master password in production server or in your local system. Let's see how to retry. I'm using Odoo version 14 and log out from here and go to manage database here. Here you can see I'm using, like, this is my database and I want to delete this database, but right now I don't know any password, something like I'm just adding as admin, something like this, but it's not working because its access denied me. It's denied me from the system because I forgot the master password. And now, like version 14, like Odoo having this default feature, like if master password is not set by default, then the Odoo itself generate one master password. And if you are not using any configuration file while executing in the Odoo service, that time it will create one more configuration file in root directory. We will see all the cases, like how to reset this master password and how to regenerate the master password. First I'm going to in terminal. So first thing is, like, this is my local system and right now I'm using something like this: Python, then after Odoo bin, then after -d for the database filter, like I'm using only Odoo_14 database, and that's it. And go to browser and refresh the page. That's it. I'm not doing anything like extraordinary things like adding any configuration. I'm not working with the configuration file here also. So thing is, whenever you are using simply something like this, then Odoo generates one hidden configuration file here, which is not available in current directory. This is current directory of the Odoo, like where I am active the Odoo service here using this Odoo bin. But the thing is, if you will check the current users root directory here, it will create, the Odoo itself create one hidden configuration file which is .odoo.rc. And once I will click here, you can see like list of parameters will display here. You can see like I'm using Odoo_14. So by default you can see here in db name having this Odoo_14 and all the default parameters configurations set here in this configuration file. But the main thing is I'm not using this one. Odoo itself like creating this configuration file, and here you can see this admin_password, this parameter. This parameter contains this password which is hash code, and I don't know like what is the password actually. The thing is, what I have to do is I have to simple like remove this line, save the configuration, that's it. And now like you have to run simple like Python Odoo bin, that's it. No need to do anything. Then after, go to browser, simple. Here you have to refresh the page, that's it. And you can see suddenly it comes something like this. You have to reset your master password, and if you click here like to any button like backup, duplicate or delete, let's say backup, so Odoo automatically generate this password. We have to copy this one and click to this backup button, that's it. And now like Odoo generated successfully that password. Refresh this page, you can see that warning message gone, invisible. So now you have to remember is like whenever you are trying to use any operations for the database related, then you have to remember this password. And if you forgot, then it's fine, you have to do the same thing here. From here, like you have to open this Odoo rc file and remove from this key and save. That's it, and run the normal process of the Odoo. Again, go to in browser and refresh the page. Again, it will having this warning message. And again, okay, please, this is your password. You have to remember. You can see both are the same one. And once you will click here, it means like once you will click to any operation purpose, like any operation, like any button like backup or delete or duplicate something, it will generate this password and it will add inside that configuration file. Let me copy this one and it's successfully downloaded here, and refresh the page. You can see that warning message gone here. This is the first scenario, like where you are not using the configuration file. Now the second scenario is whenever you are using the configuration file using -c, then after Odoo, and I have my own configuration file here. And for the double check, let me open this configuration file also. You can see here, this is my configuration file. Here one more thing is you have to remember is, here you can see I don't have any admin underscore PASSWD, something like this. Okay, right? Here I'm not in this configuration file, there is no any admin password right now added. And here you are refreshing the page and it won't be also having that pop-up message, sorry, that warning message here, like you don't have any master password, because it's already stored in odoo.rc file here, this one. So it's already have this password, and once I will remove from here and I will again try to execute this my own configuration file from here and try to refresh, you can see here it will display this warning message, because in my configuration file that admin underscore password, that parameter not matched. Plus it will also check into that virtual file created by Odoo. Over there it will also check like admin underscore password is there. If it is not there, then this warning message will pop up. And if you are performing any operations, then you can see it will display, it will generate this master password. And once you will successfully click that button, it will generate that master password into your configuration file, not in odoo.rc file. You can see this password, and for the double verification you can see here it won't be generated here because we already deleted from here. So now it's unused for Odoo, and we are trying to forcefully use this configuration file. So Odoo won't check that that .odoo.rc file, and now it's checking this one, and whatever the data, like whatever the parameter we are passing here, it will populate based on, it will use those configuration parameters. And once I will refresh the page, you can see that warning message gone. So something like this way you can reset your master password in your local system as well as in your production server. If you have any doubt or query, please comment below, and see you in next session.